Change the site to show this one sold out. Cosmic Random. I imagine that's going to be filled by the time we're done with this break. We'll get right into that after this. What is up, everybody? It's Griffin with Mojobreak.com here on this October 13th, 2024. For y'all tonight, we have a 23-24 Topps UEFA Club Competition Merlin Chrome 6-box Picker Team 19. Since it is a PYT, I'm going to read off the names of the squads. We'll get right into it. With Milan, we got Clemens R. Kilis with Ajax. Kirilenko with Arsenal. Sean M. with Roma. Ferhan with Atletico. Peter G. with Leverkusen. Max L. with Dortmund. Alice with Brighton Hove. Drew M. with Barca, last team Mojo. Hassi with Bayern Munich. Pimsta with Inter Milan. Josh G. with Nord-Zealand. Sean Steen with Feyenoord. FKZ and Galatasaray. Newell By with Liverpool. Clemens R. with Man City. John L. with Man U. Ferhan with Newcastle. Paul M. with PSG. Yum with Eindhoven. Peter G. with Lens. Clemens R. with Real Madrid. Josh G. with Sporting Club. Ian Gibbs with Lazio. Yum with Napoli. Josh G. with Stade Rennais and Toulouse as well. Good luck, y'all. All cards will ship base included from this half caser. Hopefully we get either a Renaissance or a match ball or both. Guaranteed one of each in a case. We got a half case running right now. I know you're not on Instagram anymore, Drew, but I gotta show you what I posted to my story this morning to try to show y'all what the breaks we could hit tonight. Type of heat. I posted the my favorite 5-star hit from this year. Paul Skeens rookie auto 2 of 15. That was from a Sapphire 5-star mixer that we had a couple weekends ago. I think it might have even been just last weekend. But hit a Skeens auto to 15, and it was live as well. So I almost screamed, that's for sure. To 15, 1-5. One of my bigger baseball hits yet. Send it to you on Facebook Messenger. Yeah, give me a little bit, and I'll definitely got you. Definitely got you. I do not think I even have Facebook Messenger on my phone anymore. I might have to re-download it. Good luck, y'all. All cards shipped. This is a half case of Merlin. Almost said Curlin. Merlin Chrome. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. One auto per, and hopefully either match ball or Renaissance. Ibrahim Osman. Rookie refractor for Nord-Zealand, starting us out. Ageless Alchemy, Fernando Torres. Going to Atletico. Mystic Knights, Bruno Fernandes for Man U. Green Shimmer to 399, Duranville for Dortmund. Nice hit. Our first Lamine Yamal. This is a base Lamine. He gets the Wemby treatment in these breaks. Every base, every single Lamine Yamal card gets top loaded on the spot. Log into Facebook, send you an instant message. Yeah, it's gonna take a second. Either way, I don't remember my my passwords. That's a football refractor. Another nice one for Dortmund. Paris Brunner, rookie, football refractor. Dortmund starting off with some nice hits. Lewis Miley refractor, rookie for Newcastle. Mojo, auto to 99. Andrea Pirlo for Ajax. Andrea Pirlo, Mojo refractor auto. No, that's going to AC Milan. My apologies. AC Milan. Tried to read that logo down there. Can't read, regardless. So proof, Milan. So that is going to Clemens. My apologies, yo. First auto. Nice one. Doku. Mystic Knights, Mbappe for PSG. Ramos. Grab a little bit more. Chosen Ones, Duranville for Dortmund. Mystic Knights, Zaha, Galatasaray. Chosen Ones, Oscar Bob, Man City. Aqua to 199, Ayanda Sisuba, rookie, Aqua for Lens. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. I'll definitely send you a photo of that Skeens. It's lined up with a couple other cards, so it's not the main focus, but still a great hit. Fabian Ryder, rookie refractor. Speckle, ooh, to 150. Pau Kubarsi going to Barca. Last team mojo. 93 of 150 on the Speckle rookie, Kubarsi. It's a nice one for Drew. Oh, my goodness. 1 of 25 and an extra auto in this first box. Sorcerer's orange refractor. Kaka, wow. Speaking of, just finished that break. That one is going to Milan as well. Doubled up in this first box. Congrats, Clemens. Sorcerer's autograph. Kaka, wow. Legend to 25. It's a great first box we just had there. Putting these away. We'll keep it rolling. Next box up. We can close out our baseball breaks tonight, y'all. Go back to back with our last two. Only have 3 total spots in them. Those are both the red on the sketch tonight. And we got still 11 in NT, 15 in our select football mixer, 33 in Futura soccer, and 31 in Topps Chrome tennis. Box 2, Merlin. Victor Roque. Ooh, we got some color. Rookie refractor. Mansverk. That's going to Ajax. Learn your logos, Griff. Gold Atomic. Fermin Lopez. That is another banger, too. Last Team Mojo, Barca. Gold Atomic. 33. I almost pressed the button. 33 of 50. Fermin Lopez. Nice hit, Drew. Last Team Mojo, Barca. That's a big one right there. Gold Atomic. Fermin Lopez. Francesco Dialecchio. Roma. Refractor. Ageless Alchemy. Ronaldinho. Milan. Mystic Knights. Fernandez. Man U. Speckle to 150, rookie, Ricardo Pagano. Roma, Luis Diaz. Green Mojo, rookie, Adamo Nagalo, 59 of 99. Going to Nord-Zealand. Aqua, auto, 159 of 199. Diego Godin. 159 of 199. Diego Godin. Atletico. Furhan. Need the logo now. Enzo Leffi. Refractor for Stade Rennais. Chosen Ones. Vermeeren for Atletico. Got a Mystic Knights. Pedri for Barca, last Team Mojo. Close out this box 2. We'll get to the halfway box 3 and do a number check after the halfway point. Adamo Nagalo, rookie football refractor. Got a Davide Bartasaghi, rookie refractor for Milan. Mojo. Are we just doubling up on every box right now? That's a banger, too. Boom! 64 of 99. Theo Zidane, Mojo Refractor Auto. To 99, rookie, Theo Zidane. Not the biggest Zidane I've pulled either. If you know, you know. Real getting a nice hit. Clemens. Dude, you're killing it so far, Clemens. Congratulations, brother. Killing it so far with the autos. Mbappe, PSG, Mystic Knights, excuse me. Chosen Ones, Andy Diouf for Lens. Refractor, Victor Boniface. Going to Leverkusen. And a Lewandowski base. You already know, Josh, I definitely will. If we hit anything big, I'll definitely shout you out. Or anything numbered. I'll let you know. All right, this is going to be halfway box 3. Probably going to go back-to-back with those 2 breaks in the red there next. If I were to be a betting man. If I were to be a betting man. Probably go back-to-back with these next 3 breaks here. Anything on the schedule is fair game, y'all. Got about half an hour till tennis was scheduled to run, but everything's fair game. So whatever you guys want to see next, rock and roll. Got a after Cosmic fills that last spot Mojo, we'll have one more random tonight, and that'll be a National Treasures, another super high end box of National Treasures. It's $59.99 a spot there. We have 11 left. As soon as we feel it, we can run it. Filled up my last one, number 9, no problem. Thursday night. Filled it up, no problemo. It even hit a Purd to 99 from it, too. Purdy. So, no match ball looking like. thus far. Still could hit one in the second half. I'm trying to see a Renaissance, though. I have not hit one yet. Have yet to hit a Renaissance. Only match balls for your boy. All right, we're going to start calling out every refractor. Let y'all know who you got. Halfway box 3, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Kubasi. Rasmus Holland on the refractor. Going to Man U. There's a Lamine base. Rookie Mr. Yamal. Still getting the Victor treatment. The Wemby treatment. Top load that base. All right, bet, Stu. Bet. Yeah, I'm not doing an update until we hit the halfway point, which coincidentally is after this box. So I would take a peek at our numbers, see if we have things moving again. Ageless Alchemy, Fernando Torres, Atletico. Wilfred Zaha, Mystic Knights for Galatasaray. On the Atomic parallel to 250, Bruto Gumares going to Newcastle. 8 of 250 Atomic. Newcastle for Ferhan. Marco Reus on the football refractor for Dortmund. Refractor Mario Icardi. Galatasaray. Refractor. Mojo to 99. Auto Cody Gakpo. Mojo refractor 14 of 99. Cody Gakpo. Going to Liverpool. New old buy. Cody Gakpo. Mojo to 99. Another auto. We're getting 2 per box right now, dude. Rookie refractor auto. Bradley Barcola. PSG. That's another nice one. We are killing it right now. We are killing it. 6 autos through 3 boxes. Got a hot case on our hands. Barcola, rookie refractor for PSG. Paul M. Hey. If we end up with 12 autos in this break, that would be lovely. How about a Pulisic refractor for Milan? Christian Pulisic. Chosen one, Bradley Barcola, PSG. Go with your auto. Got a chosen one. Mystic Knights, Vinny Jr. for Real. Victor G, rookie base for Sporting. He is a pretty big rookie there for Sporting Club. I know Josh has them. Mystic Knights, Mbappe, PSG. Doesn't quite get the Lamine Yamal treatment, but he's a dog. Matthias Tell for Bayern Munich. Chosen ones. Pink Mojo. Jack Grealish to 275. Man City. Pink Mojo. Fuchsia Mojo. 252, 275 Grealish. That's a nice one. We are having a hot case on our hands, yo. So far. 2 autos per box. Supposed to only have 1. Refractor. And we got another gold atomic. Giacomo Raspadori. Refractor for Napoli. Yep. Gold atomic. Phil Foden. Man City. 4 of 50 on the gold atomic. Phil Foden. Man, this is what is happening. This has been a hot case. Man City. Clemens. Gold atomic. Phil Foden now. All right. We have now hit the halfway point. I will get any updates we may have rolling in. 1 second. That was my schedule last I checked it right there. And Dan did close out the random, so we'll break that next. Good luck, Dan. Closing out Cosmic Random. Keith did close out the Cosmic 5-star random. Good luck, Keith. Appreciate you. Going to next door. Yep. They hit a big Pokemon card. Down to 14 in select. Baltimore Ravens gone. Good luck, Scott. Baltimore Ravens. Stewart taking a couple here in National Treasures, taking us to the red 9 spots left, as well as the Texans tonight, Houston Texans. Good luck, Stewart. Appreciate you. Best of luck. Couple more spots, value spots, down to 29 Topps Chrome Tennis. Value players. Saints gone from Select Mixer, down to 12 teams left tonight. USA gone from Futura. Good luck, Ryan. 32 countries remaining. And Group N is gone from tennis, down to 28 letter spots remaining. All right, we got some new links to drop here. NT is down to just 9 remaining. And I'll make a link for our next soccer break, since that has the most spots remaining tonight. Futura. Pick your country 3. Delete football. Delete 6 bucks. Case. Oh, it's a. I put half case in the. That would make sense why it may not be moving. It's a full case break to do it tonight. It's our last case in stock, too. Whoops. Amateur hour. All right. Second half for Merlin on the way here. Y'all see the schedule. We'll get into our Cosmic Random next. Then we will get the last baseball break of the night done. That will be our Cosmic 5-star and Sterling mixer. And then we'll have just 9 left NT, 12 left Select Football, 32 in Futurist Soccer, and 28 in Tennis. We only got 4 more breaks tonight, y'all. And it's only 9:15. That's lovely. That is. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this, at least, or to say the least. Things moving. I'm usually used to the night or the morning schedule, and I will sit there for hours before anything happens. So I appreciate y'all filling spots tonight. It's been a lot of fun. Let's keep the good times rolling. Most spots to run tonight will be that Futura Unique Soccer football. We do have 32 teams remaining there. 32 countries. Yeah, 9, 12, 32, 28. I'm going to probably end up hitting that one again soon if we can get a couple more spots ruled out. If we get under 30, I'll get that another discount. And then, yeah, let's try to get some more value spots scooped from tennis. We do have plenty still on the board. And then I'll give a significant discount to that Alcaraz spot and more. If we can get a couple more value spots moved. Oh. Thought we had a match ball for a second. That was felt like a thick pack of sorts. Felt like a thickie of sorts. All right, we're into our second half of Merlin. Good luck, y'all. Good luck. Let's keep the good hits rolling. It's been a good first half. Let's make the second half even better. Gold Atomic to start. Victor Boniface to 50. Gold Atomic. Victor Boniface. 4 of 50 Gold Atomic going to Leverkusen. Leverkusen. Where you at? Gonna be up. For Peter G. Gold Atomic. 3rd one of the break. Pulisic base. Green Shimmer to 399. Ayanda Shishuba. Going to Lens, RC Lens, Peter G. Football Refractor, Matoma for Brighton and Hove. Football Refractor, Brighton and Hove. Going to Alice. Zidane, Rookie Refractor, Real. That's a Refractor, Alejandro Grimaldo. Going to Leverkusen. Lewandowski, Mystic Knights, Jude for Real. Jude Bellingham. Chosen Ones, Oscar Bob. Refractor, Kareem Adeyemi, Dortmund. Is that a yellow shimmer to 175? Ciro Immobile, Lazio. For Ian. Fatih, grab a little bit more. Rafinha Refractor, going to Barca, last team mojo for Drew. Another Sorcerer's Auto, are you kidding me? Peter Schmeichel, legend, Sorcerer's Auto, going to Man U. We are doing some damage right now, y'all. Hot case. John L. getting a Peter Schmeichel Sorcerer's autograph. What is happening? If we can get another auto from this box, I'm officially going to be in awe. Ageless Alchemy, Drogba, Galatasaray. Nice hit. Mystic Knights for Sporting, Victor G. That's going to Josh G. I'll give this one the top load treatment because he is indeed a dog. Mystic Knights, Victor G. That's a chase for Sporting if you're not chasing Ronaldo. The super short print, which is like 1 in 1,000 packs. Bukayo Saka Refractor for the Gunners, Arsenal. Bukayo Saka. And let's close out this box. Giancarlo Simic on the Refractor, rookie for Milan. Chosen Ones, Duranville for Dortmund. Looks like we didn't get a double-up auto here. That's okay. Victor O, Mystic Knights for Napoli. And a Luis Diaz. So far through the first half, we killed it. So we already got enough autos for a half case from the first 3 boxes. So not mad at it. Especially because we're guaranteed 1 chrome auto per box. We're consistently hitting 2 through the first half of the break. Not mad at it. Can't be mad at it. They're blessing us. Would love to see a case hit, though. Match Baller Renaissance. Match Baller Renaissance. And if we don't end up hitting either, then that would very well mean that the next break up to have Merlin, which coincidentally is me on Tuesday morning, will have both. Match Ball and Renaissance. If we can't hit one or the other in these last 2 boxes here. Which means, see you Tuesday, soccer fans. Which means, see you Tuesday if you guys are liking this break here. I have it posted up on the schedule already. I was probably going to end up hitting the, because Tuesdays are so rough, I was probably going to end up hitting the first discount tonight on them. I do have one more break I need to post for it. It's going to be a Sterling Cosmic Mixer, which should move well, right? Cosmic's been hot. Sterling's been hot. How about both together in one break? I'll have that for Tuesday as well, 4-box mixer. It'll be a cheaper price point than any of these other breaks we've had thus far with it because it'll be 4-box rather than 6-box. So that should be a little breath of fresh air if you guys have been looking at these other breaks we've had with the 6-box Sterling or 6-box Cosmic and been like, damn, that's a little pricey. The 4-box will probably be a little kinder to you. That'll be running Tuesday. We do have a value random as well going on that day, that morning, with HTA, Bowman Chrome, as well as the Megas. It's $24.99 a spot. All teams in. Yeah, got some good stuff coming Tuesday. And then I also got update series release day with y'all Thursday or Wednesday night. So we're in for some good stuff upcoming this week. I think I just seen something nasty. I could be wrong. Good luck. Second to last box here. Januel Belochian, rookie refractor for Stade Rennais. Ageless Alchemy Gattuso going to Milan. Holland Mystic Knights, Man City, Erling Holland. Rookie refractor for Ajax. Atomic Pedri to 250 for Barca. 39 of 250 Pedri, last team mojo. Atomic. Nice hit, Drew. Barca. Football refractor. Marcus Thuram. That is going to Inter Milan. This is for Sporting. Giancarlo Ignacio. Going to Josh. Mystic Knights. Dybala. Roma. Looks like I didn't see nothing. Gavi. Refractor Auto. Adam Holtzek. Adam Holtzek going to be our auto for this box. Refractor. Going to Leverkusen. For Peter G. Refractor Enzo Leffi. Refractor for Stade Rennais. Chosen Ones Axel Van Dongen. Ajax. Or Van Axel Dongen. I don't even know how I got to the other one. Mystic Knights Dambele. PSG. Chosen Ones Ibrahim Osman for Nord Zealand. Nice. Last team mojo. Lamine Yamal Refractor for Drew. Rookie refractor Lamine Yamal for that last team mojo Barca. Tough hit. Non-numbered, still a tough hit though. On the rose gold shimmer to 299, Ricardo Pagano going to Roma. And closing out the box with this little bit here. Get to our last box mojo. Still no case hits. Antoine Greitzman, refractor for Atletico. Got a green mojo to 99. Sievert Mansverk going to Ajax. And that will do it for the box. Last box mojo. Last box mojo. Come on, Merlin. Show us the goods. Give us a case hit. All right, but also, keep in mind, y'all, if we do not hit them today, either one, that means both Match Ball and Renaissance should be in the second half of this case, which will be running Tuesday morning with me. You're all so good, Drew. You're all good, Drew. No need to apologize. Yeah, I've looked at that tennis checklist a couple times. We're doing a hobby box or hobby case tonight. That's the only product that can hit the game set match. Super short print as well. The only one I have hit thus far, Carlos Alcaraz, the man, the myth, and the legend. Speaking of, after this box rips, I am going to hit that break with another discount. So, with that being said, let's get some value team scoop from that one. A majority of these spots are value player spots. As soon as I'm done with this break, I will hit that with a discount. So we got 2 more breaks we have ready to roll into baseball tonight. Most breaks, or the spot with the most breaks spots left to fill is going to be that future or unique still tonight. 32 spots. That's enough for the entire NFL to fit in there. Got value spots on the board too. It's our last case in stock. Looks like no match ball. Jennifer Capriati. Is she a legend or is she present day? Capriati. Good luck, y'all. Last box mojo, no match ball. So that means probably go be in that second half with me on Tuesday. Let's see if we have a renaissance. Got some good color in this first half. Another gold atomic. Averaged 1 per box there. Ben Doak rookie refractor. Very nice. Ben Doak, Liverpool. Gold atomic 250. 10 of 50 rookie Alexander Pavlovich. Bayern Munich. Gold atomic for Hasi. Steffi Graf was her second inspiration. That makes sense. Yo, Drew. Boom! Fermin Lopez, rookie auto, Barca, last team mojo. That's the, besides Lamine, that's who he would want probably. Fermin Lopez, rookie auto, last team mojo, Barcelona for Drew. That's probably who you'd want if you don't get a Lamal. Rafael Leao, refractor, going to Milan. Chosen ones, Lamine Yamal. Last team mojo, Barca. He is the chosen one. You are the chosen one. Lamine Yamal, chosen one. Mystic Knights, Pedri for Barca, last team mojo. Chosen ones, Diouf for Lens. Zakara, Abukalal. Jeez, I ruined that one. Toulouse, apologize to him and his family. Fuchsia Shimmer, Harry Kane to 299 for Bayern Munich. On the rose gold shimmer, call it that. Looks more accurate. That's a Kamavinga refractor for Real. Green mojo. 299 Davide Bartoshagi. Milan. I'm starting to butcher these bad now. Adrian Nino, football refractor, rookie for Atletico. Hincapi, refractor, going to Leverkusen. Amine Jouari, Stade Rennais Mystic Knights. Evan Ferguson, refractor for Brighton Hove. Ageless Alchemy, Zidane, Real. Mystic Knights, Victor O for Napoli. And that will officially do it, folks, for our 23-24 Topps UEFA Club Competition Merlin Chrome 6-box half case pick your team 19. And y'all know what that means. Tuesday, y'all. If you guys are into this Merlin Chrome, Tuesday should have both case hits in one half of the case. Woo woo! All cards will ship, base included. Refractors, congrats on all the spots with a nice refractor or hit. All cards ship, base included. Give me a couple moments here to get this one tied on up, put it away, and then I'll hit our last two breaks with still a lot of spots left with discounts, and then we'll get one of our baseball breaks rock and roll. And appreciate the patience in advance here. Got a lot to catch up on. Got a lot to do still, too.